intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be my personal recommendations for the Sephora VIB Rouge Beauty Insider sale for fall 2020. So if you would like to see what I think would be some good purchases, then keep on watching. And I'm not just going to be talking about just like really expensive products like, oh, you know, just get this now because you're getting 20% off. I'm going to be talking about either like really good sets or just really good makeup, and why not get it when it's 20% off. So if you would like to find out what those recommendations are, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let YouTube's fucking stupid algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. All the products that I'm going to be recommending are products that I've tried, so I'm not just sitting here saying, oh, this looks good, you might as well get it when it's 20% off. I have personally tried them. Unless, disclaimer, there are going to be a few things that I haven't tried only because they're on my like own list of what I'm going to be wanting to get for the sale. If that makes sense. Alright, so the dates. For VIB Rouge, it is 20% off and it's from October 30th to November 9th. For VIB members, it's 15% off from November 3rd to November 9th. And for Beauty Insiders, it's 10% off from November 5th to November 9th. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about, like, it's not expensive at all. It's $25, but it includes the Dewy Skin Cream by Tatcha and the Rice Wash Skin Softening Cleanser. The Rice Wash Skin Softening Cleanser, yeah, and the Dewy Skin Cream. So I tried the Dewy Skin Cream. I love it. I love this cleanser as well. I got a sample of it and it's amazing. I want to get the full size. I'm even considering getting this because it's $25, you know, for two really good Tatcha products, and especially if you're someone who has super dry skin like I do. Okay, here's another thing for those of you who have super dry skin. So like, this is definitely in my top 5 all-time favorite moisturizers, and it's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I also really like their face cleanser, and they have a duo of the repair cream, 2 ounces, and then 2 ounces of the face cleaner for $16, which is not bad at all. This is an awesome set. If you have been either wanting to try some Glow Recipe products or specifically the Watermelon Sleeping Mask, this is a duo that includes the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and it also includes the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist Setting Spray. I don't think I've gone through a setting spray faster than that one. And it's for $34. Okay, here's another one that I want to get, but they are all products that I've tried. Okay, so it's by Glam Glow, and it's called the Clear Skin in 3-2-1 Super Month Set. So out of all the Glam Glow masks that I've tried all of them. My favorite are the, the orange one, I can't think of what it's called right now, and the white one, the Skin Clearing Mask. Oh, so I love it, and I have dry skin, so I can't imagine how much you would adore it if you have oily or combination skin. So you put it on, and then it starts to turn white, like where there's oil, and you can see your pores. It's crazy, but it works so well. I'll use it like when I'm on my period and just have a lot of, you know, acne from that, and it clears it up so quickly. So then it also, and so that you get a full size of that. Just that alone is $69, okay? So then you also get a 5-ounce Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Daily Cleanser. This is something I also have. It's just like a cleanser version of the mask. It's kind of similar consistency, kind of like that charcoal type look, and then it also turns white, and then once you wet it, it foams. And then the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. This is the only thing I have a problem with. I love how it looks, but I get like this like white residue from it. I can't wear it. But despite that, so for a full size of the mask and the cleanser and the moisturizer, it's $69, which is the price of just the mask alone. So I think that's a really good deal. Okay, another Tatcha set that I think is really good, and it's new. It comes with it's a 4-piece set with the deep cleanse and the water the water cream, which is like a gel moisturizer, the deep cleanse exfoliating cleanser, which I love. I have that upstairs next to my sink. You get the liquid silk canvas protective primer and the Kissu lip mask. So that is $52. So this is something that I think I'm going to get. I've been wanting to try the Laneige glowy bombs, but I just haven't got around to it. So this includes a balm and berry and then like a mini lip sleeping mask, and it's $19. Let me stay on the theme of Laneige. So this is a 3-piece set. It includes a full-size Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it also includes like a deluxe sample size of the lip sleeping mask in lemon sorbet and mint choco, and it's the price of just the Laneige sleeping mask, $29. So you're basically getting the 2 deluxe sample sizes for free. Okay, this is another set that is new that I think would be really worth it. It's from Pharmacy and it's called House of Gold. So it's a 3-piece set that comes with 1 ounce of the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Now I got this in BoxyCharm. I adore this. I love using this as a sleeping mask, and you can actually feel it working. So then you also get the Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I haven't tried that. And then the third product is the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This I also got from BoxyCharm, and I love the way it makes my skin feel after I use it. So that retails for $60. So the next thing I want to talk about is the Sephora Favorites Hair Holy Grails. So for $40, you get 12 best-selling hair products, and you get the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Leave-In Conditioning Spray. You get the Bumble & Bumble Preta Powder Post-Workout Dry Shampoo Mist. You get the Christopher Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. Oh, I adore this. I have it in my shower right now. It's like an exfoliating treatment / cleanser. I love it. You get Triple Sec 3-in-1 Finishing Spray by Dry Bar. You get the IGK Beach Club Texturizing Spray. You get the Keratis, I never say that right, Nutritive Blow Dry Primer. The Foolproof Full Dry Volume Blast. That product, I swear, it's magic. You spray it on and it gives your hair like 10 times the volume. I don't know how it does it. It's magic. You get the Moroccan oil treatment, the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector, Together Beauty, whatever, the Verb Ghost Shampoo and Ghost Conditioner. I really like those as well. Okay, so the next 2 products I'm going to be talking about, they're both from Ambient. So, Ambient? Really? I saw Ambient. Somehow it turned into Ambient. I just forgot about the T. And I really meant to say they're both from Hourglass. The first one is the Ambient Lighting Face Palette Sculpture. So this is a 6-piece limited edition set that includes 2 finishing powders, 1 bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlighter. And I always see these and think they're so pretty, but I already have the bronzer, I have dim light, I have diffused light, so the next one I think a little bit more reasonable. That's one way to put it. So this is the Hourglass Mini Ambient Lighting Edit Sculpture Unlocked. So this includes 4 pans, and you get an ambient finishing powder in soft light, a blush in mood flush, you get the bronzer in golden bronze light, and then you get metallic strobe powder in champagne strobe light, and that is for $58. Alright, the next thing I'm going to talk about is the Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lipstick Set. So this is a pretty good size one. You get, let me see how many you get. You get 3 full size and 5 deluxe size lip products, including Fenty Beauty Senna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color. You get a Patricia Silky Lip Cream. You get a Too Faced Melted Matte. You get a NARS Lipstick. You get an Ilia Tinted Lip. Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Lipstick. You get a KVD Vegan Makeup Everlasting Liquid Lip, and you get a YSL Rouge Pour Couture. And that's for $45. I think that is an awesome deal. The next one is also new, and I think this is probably one of Sunday Riley's best kits that they've put together. So it includes the Ceramic Slip Cleanser, the Pink Drink Firming Resurfacing Essence, the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I need to get like one of those during this sale. A Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil, the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum, and Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So all of that is $93. I know that seems like a lot, but you're getting really good products and pretty good sizes of them. Alright, the next item I'm going to talk about is the YSL Mini Rouge Pour Couture Lipstick Set. If you've never tried YSL lipsticks, oh, they are the bomb. Definitely one of my favorite lipstick formulas, and this comes in the most adorable set ever, #1, and you get 4 minis. One is a blood red, one is a rich berry rose, one is a bright orange, and one is a nude, and that's for $50. Alright, next I want to talk about this Olaplex Holiday Hair Fix Kit. So so far I've tried Olaplex #3 and then the shampoo and conditioner. Best hair products I've ever used. This comes with #3, #4, #5, and then #6, which is a bond smoother. So it's basically the whole system, and it is $60. In each bottle, let me tell you how much is in each. 3.3 ounces, so that's a pretty decent sized bottle. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is on my wish list. I have not tried it. It's the Pat McGrath Labs Mega Mothership Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette. It just looks so gorgeous. Oh, I have never bought any eyeshadows from Pat McGrath because I don't know, I just can't, I couldn't bring myself to pay like $125 or however much they are. But this includes 18 shades and it's $78. So this would be the perfect time for me to try them. Something I don't recommend you try is the Makeup by Mario. I got the, let me tell you which one I got. I got the Master Metals eyeshadow palette, $48. Not impressed at all. And I couldn't even pick up the eyeshadow with my brush. I had to go in with my finger. So the next little kit, I should say, is Becca Cosmetics mini Barbie Ferreira Prismatic Light Essentials Kit. So it includes 3 mini highlighters, and you get champagne pop, vanilla quartz, and rose quartz, which are all gorgeous shades. I think if you have fair or medium skin tone, this would work for you. And so you get 3 of them for $35. If maybe you've never tried the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfectors and you want to, or you have tried them before and you just love them so much, this is a good way to try 3 new shades. Alright, next I'm going to talk about the Bite Beauty Millennial Pinks 4-piece Mini Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon Set. Now, I adore these Bite Beauty matte lip crayons. Like, here's one I have right in front of me. This is Sugarcane. They are the most long-wearing lipstick I've ever tried. And they're so creamy, and they're not drying, and they have beautiful colors. So this is a 4-piece set of all pinks. So they're just described, one is described as a rosy mauve, the next one is described as a baby pink, then a honey pink, and a watermelon pink. So I'm actually considering getting this myself. Now, if you're wanting to try the Olaplex products, but you don't want to spend $60 on that larger size one, they have a smaller version of it, and it's called the Bond Repair Trial Kit. So it's all the same products, the number 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let me tell you how much is in each. So you get 1 ounce of each, and that's for $25, which I don't think is bad at all. This next product I probably would get if I didn't have 2 out of the 3 colors, but it's the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine Spring Trio. These are probably, oh my god, my top 3, if not my just absolute favorite lipstick. It's like a lipstick and an oil mixed in one. They're so hydrating. They're not very long lasting because of maybe how hydrating they are, but I live for these. I have never, I go through these like it's nothing. I've never done that with any other lip product. So you get 3 full-size ones, and it includes a Nude Sheer, Coral Dolman, and Rouge Cape. So it's basically a nude, a coral, and a red, and it's for $66. And just one of them is $38, so that's a really good deal. Alright, so those are my recommendations for the VIB Rouge Beauty Insider Fall Sale. Let me know what you guys plan on getting in the sale down in the comments below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in my next video.